What's going on, everyone? It's K-Dub here with another episode of the latest headlines and news from dcforecasts.com. So if we have a look at what's been going on in the market, we have seen a slight hit, but we did have those 4 solid days of growth, so this is to be expected. Currently, we have Bitcoin sitting around $6,618, Bitcoin Cash at $470, and Ethereum sitting at $235. So if we have a look at some of the news today, we do have CNBC Analyst estimates Bitcoin to go near $7,000 based on market tacticals. So we have heard a lot of bullish news coming out recently. According to one CNBC Futures Now trader named Jim Lario, the price of Bitcoin will trade above $6,800. He first came with these statements during the trading on the floor of the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, or the CME, for most of you who are familiar with that, ahead of the latest CBOE Bitcoin futures contract. According to him, Bitcoin lacks some fundamentals which need to be there for the price to be based on them. However, the use of market tacticals can definitely be a great way to predict its pricing, specifically in a trading technique known as stop in. So when asked about how he intends to trade the Bitcoin futures contract, Lurio confidently said, $6,000 is a big deal. I don't know why it's a big deal, but if you look at the charts, it's clearly something. Every time it gets there, it gets rejected again. If it trades at 6,460, about $60 above where it is now, we do this technique a lot called the stop in. We wait for a little bit of strength and then try to jump in at the right time. He also stated that the Bitcoin hovering around $6,500, well, he would make the call stop in with a target of around $6,860. And what's interesting is if we move over here, you'll also see that we have Mike Novogratz. He's extremely bullish as well. He now says it's impossible not to hit 10K by 2019. So in the latest episode of CNBC Fast Money, Novogratz said that a 30% rally by the end of the year is quite realistic. According to him, Bitcoin is at its bottom right now and should only grow as the end of the year approaches. He also explained that there has been a significant amount of closed door kind of back end deals, such as Telegram's $1.7 billion private ICO, which alludes to the fact that institutions are entering the crypto markets even though they are doing this quietly. He stated, "It's also a bull market in institutions building the infrastructure needed for real money investors to start investing in the space. I think that in 3 to 6 months from now, there will be an all clear sign for people, big institutions, and pension funds to start investing." Now, the thing that you do have to be careful with is as we do continue to follow this triangle that's been forming over time, you do see that we find ourselves kind of getting here into this wedge area where we're having higher lows and lower highs, but this is the point that we're all looking at. So just be careful and don't get too excited. CNBC tends to come out with a lot of these different stories, but as we know, there's always room to go the other way. So Iceland says goodbye to crypto mining. So Icelandic crypto industry is planning on leaving crypto mining behind and switching to a new pure blockchain business. This crypto news comes right after the chairman of Borealis Data Center told a local news site that the crypto and blockchain business are not so focused on Bitcoin mining anymore. Jorgensen believes that the craziness hovering over Bitcoin mining has declined and it's a lot less popular than it was a year ago when the prices reached incredible highs. Now, since the prices are all stabilizing, he believes that Bitcoin mining contributed to a lot faster growth of local energy, and industries are expected to show a boost of blockchain-related businesses. As we have seen, the cost of producing a Bitcoin in some of these countries and some of these territories is a lot higher than the actual return of the Bitcoin. So unfortunately, some of these companies do have to shut down, but it's not bad news. They're saying that they're actually just focusing on the blockchain tech itself. So let's talk about some pretty cool stuff in the news. We're seeing a lot of blockchain getting out there, spreading mass awareness. So new deal between Tigerwit Forex trading platform and the English Premier League football club Liverpool has taken place. So the partnership clearly states that Tigerwit will become the official foreign exchange trading partner of Liverpool FC in a new deal that gives the platform a greater competitive advantage and potential increase in popularity. Liverpool FC, on the other hand, will be the official partner of the platform, and its users will benefit from the DLT-based settlement system. This is not the first time a football club is partnering with a blockchain-based trading platform, though. just keep that in mind. But in the wake of the new partnership, the CEO of Tigerwit, Tim Hughes, stated, "Today is a proud day for Tigerwit. We are launching our innovative blockchain-based trading app and partnering with Liverpool FC. Tigerwit believes in a market that does not discriminate or play favorites. We have developed a pioneering blockchain-based settlement system that instills trust by delivering greater security and process efficiency. Trading should be and can be more transparent and fair for all traders regardless of experience or the size of their account." And also, if we move on to this news, we have NBA's Houston Rockets sponsored by the largest Bitcoin mining company, AntPool. This is a great opportunity for AntPool to continue expanding its U.S. AntPool's operating manager says the Houston Rockets are the most popular team in China, and this is why a partnership is a good strategic move for the company. He also goes on to say that we are excited to work with AntPool as a conduit in the U.S. for their ever-growing business. The Rockets are always looking to stay ahead of the curve with technology both on and off the court, and AntPool's prowess with cryptocurrency makes for a great partnership. So there you go. If that wasn't enough news to get you excited about the week, I don't know what was. So that being said, we do have one final piece of news, which I was pretty excited for. So you have U.S. Representative Tom Emmer is officially planning to introduce 3 bills to support blockchain and crypto. The 3 upcoming bills are entitled the Resolution Supporting Digital Currencies and Blockchain Technology, the Blockchain Regulatory Certainty Act, and the Safe Harbor for Taxpayers with Forked Assets Act. Emmer said taxpayers can only comply with the law when the law is clear. He says, "The United States should prioritize accelerating the development of blockchain technology and create an environment that enables the American private sector to lead on innovation and further growth, which is why I'm introducing these bills." So yes, I agree with this. We're very confused about what's going on with our taxes. Do we get taxed at the time of purchase? If we make a payment, what if the price goes up? You know, it's very, very confusing. We'd like to see some clarity on this. So that being said, I would have to say we are starting this week off quite well. A lot of bullish news, but that doesn't necessarily mean the price will go up. Always be careful. Always do your own due diligence. And that being said, it's the start of the week. Here we go. So until next time, I will see you again with more headlines and news from dcforecast.com. And until then, stay crypto and peace out.